Every town has an Elm Street. I want to draw some blood.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you another Halloween tutorial. This is going to be a glam version of Freddy Kruger. So we are just going to be jumping right into this. I already have my foundation and concealer on, and I'm just going to be going into some bronzer to define my face and just sculpt a little bit. Next, moving on to the eyes, we are basically just going to be creating a big winged out, smoky, warm toned eye because we want to contrast with the goriness of this look. So basically I'm just throwing a warm tone brown into the crease, winging it out, and then going in with a darker reddy brown color, and I'm smoking that out underneath the eye as well, just blending in between steps to make sure everything is nice and soft. Then just throwing a champagne shimmery shade onto the lid just to add a little bit of shine there. Next, I'm just highlighting my face quickly. This is just a NYX highlighter just with a gold base. Now, jumping to the gory aspect for a bit. So as you guys probably know, Freddy Kruger has these burnt kind of lesions on his face. So we are going to be mapping these out just with an eyeliner so we can get a good idea of where we want them placed down before we start going in with the paint, just because this is a lot easier to fix your mistakes than it is with a body paint. So I'm varying these in shapes and sizes so they look more realistic. Then the next step with these whole burnt pieces is going to be outlining them. So I'm taking a red body paint and I mix it with a little bit of black just to add a little bit more depth to it. And I am just going to be outlining every single one of these. This step does take a while, but it really helps to bring the look together. And then next I am just going into every single one of those shapes and I am just laying down a pink body paint, and this is also going to help with the next steps because we are going to be adding some shadow, so it's going to give the shadow something to stick to. Next, just take any deep red burgundy shadow and just begin to shade these sections, and this is really going to help to create depth as if they are sunken into the skin a little bit. And then I'm kind of leaving the middle of them open with the pink showing, so it kind of serves as a highlight for these to give a more realistic effect. My camera cut out for this part, I wasn't sure why, but I outlined every single one of those with some white body paint to help them pop and really give them some contrast. And then next I am just taking a watered down red body paint and I'm just splattering this all over the face. I just love the texture that it gives and it helps give it that bloody, gory feel. Now this step is optional. You don't have to add fake blood, but I really love the look and the shine that it gives. So I'm just taking a little bit and I'm adding it to each one of those burns and just kind of adding that in the darkest place and then kind of feathering it outwards. And I also did add lashes and a winged liner to help complete the glam aspect of the look, as well as adding a red lip too. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I created my own spin on Freddy Kruger. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.